I got a B1 visa and owning a U.S. company that is registered here. And my question is, how can I do in order to be able to run my company by myself legally, get a resident
What is
card?
the visa that you're here on right now?
I'm here for business because I came here to formalize my company and open a bank account for
Where are
it.
you from? Where are you from?
Cameroon.
And you have a company in Cameroon.
Yes, and I've registered the company here in the U.S.
What does the company in Cameroon do?
Software distribution,
Okay.
and that's the same thing.
Yeah. How much business do you do in Cameroon?
In Cameroon, we run 250,000 per year.
And you have employees working for you, I assume?
Yeah,
And you have a business plan to do that here in the United States as well, correct?
exactly.
Yeah, so you would want to apply for something called an L1A visa, which is an intra-company transferee visa. You have a business in Cameroon, active, making
Yeah,
money with employees. You're an executive or manager in that business. You're actually the owner of that business. And you
yeah,
also own a business in the United States, and you are prepared to make a substantial investment in that business in the United States, which has to be six-figure investment. And you plan to come here to operate that business as well. And you plan to hire US workers because you got to manage and be the executive. And if you're able to put a business plan together and you have the finances to do it, and you're also able to show in that business plan that you intend to continue to operate that business in Cameroon, now you got a business in Cameroon and a prospective business in the United States that you need to take off the ground, that you have the financial resources and the plans to do it, to run both businesses simultaneously. They'll give you an L1A visa to come over to operate and run and start that business up. L1A visa is good for 1 year. And at the end of that 1 year, you need to be able to show that you did what you said you were going to do. Because if you didn't, they're not going to renew your L1A visa. And then once you extend your L1A visa, you can turn around and apply for your green card. You can self-petition yourself. How quick is the L1A visa to get? Depends on how quick you can put things together. But from the time that an application gets filed, you can pay an expedite, they should be able to get it approved even with an RFE in about 6 to 8 weeks, and then go apply for your visa. But how many months it will take to put the application together, that's a whole other story. I've seen people, start to finish 6 months. I've seen people start to finish a year. Depends on how fast you operate. Hold on 1 second. We could have a consultation. Hold on.